Welcome to Riji. Now the final topic of circles chapter, that is relative position of circles here. The topic name is relative position of two circles, and let the relative position of two circles here, two circles, and let S1 comma S comma S dash are two circles. Let S comma S dash, this is S and this is S dash, this S is equal 0 and S dash is equal 0, and for this having two centers, and C1 comma C2 are centers, and R1 comma R2 are radii of two circles respectively, Here this S is equal 0, one circle, and S dash is equal 0, one more circle here, and C1 and C2 are centers of these two circles, x1 comma y1, and this is x2 comma y2, and here this is called radius r1 and this is called radius r2. I am taking two circles here. Let S1 S dash are two circles here, and C1 C2 are the centers of the circle, and R1 R2 are radius of these two circles respectively. And when comes to these two circles, 5 cases are there. In that, the first case is the case number 1 here, case number 1. If the condition C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2, C1 C2 are 2 points here, center points, and the distance between two centers is called C1 C2, and R1 is radius of circle S and R2 is radius of circle S dash is equal 0 here. And if the distance of two centers is greater than the sum of two radius, then what will be the diagram here? This is a circle here I am taking. This is one circle having center C1, and I am taking one more circle here. I am taking one more circle having center C2, and if you draw tangent lines to these two circles, this is one tangent line here, and this is also one tangent line, and this is one tangent line, this is also one tangent line here. Here 4 tangents are possible here. This is R1 and this is R2. When the distance between these two circles, the distance between center C1 and C2, is greater than the sum of two radiuses here, the sum of two radius R1 plus R2. When 4 tangents are possible here, 4 tangents are possible. 2 tangents are direct tangents. These two are direct common tangents here, direct common direct tangents here, and these two tangents are transversal transversal tangents. Here, listen once again. If two circles having center C1 and C2, the distance between C1 and C2 is greater than the sum of two radius, then these two distance far from some distance centers here, then four tangents are possible here. These two tangents are direct common tangents here, these two are transversal tangents here. This is all about the case number 1, and the case number 2 here. Case number 2, if C1, C2, the distance between two circles is equal to R1 plus R2, the sum of two circles, the sum of radius of two circles is equal to the distance between center 1 and center 2 of two circles. Let's see the diagram here. This is one circle, and how it will appear if the distance both are equal. This is circle. Here this is C1 and this is C2, and having radius R1, this is R2, and here the distance between C1 and C2, the distance between C1 and C2, C1 x1 y1 x2 y2, that from the distance formula C1 C2 is equal to sum of radius of R1 R2. Then here how many tangents are possible here? See, when comes to the like this, here this is one common tangent to two circle, and this is one more direct tangent here, and this is also one more direct tangents. Here if you draw like this, here when C1, the distance between two centers is equal to sum of two radius, two direct tangents are possible, and one is common tangent is possible here. This is all about the case number 2 here, and the case number 3 here. The next one is case number 3. If C1 and C2, if C1 and C2, sorry, case 3 is nothing but the modulus, if modulus of radius, the difference between the radius is less than C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. This is our state case condition. The difference between two radius is less than the distance between two centers is less than the sum of two radius is here. And the diagram for this one is, if you take one circle, one more circle is intersect the circle. This is having center C1 and this is having center C2, and this is R1 and this is R2 here, and the distance between these two centers is C1 C2, and for this one the tangents will look like, the tangents are possible, one is above and one is below. Here no common tangent is possible here. Here only direct tangents are possible. How many direct tangents are possible here? Two direct tangents are possible. Whenever the difference between two radius is less than the distance between two centers is less than the sum of two radius here. This is all about the case number 3 here. And the next case is if R modulus of R1 minus R2 is equal to C1 C2. Here this condition tells about the distance between two radius is equal to the distance between two centers here. If you draw a circle like this, this is S1, S dash is equal 0, and I am drawing one more circle inside of the circle here. This is having C2, this is having C1, and this circle is having radius of R1, and this circle is having radius of R2 here. And here, when the distance between these two radius is equal to the distance between C1 and C2, here only one tangent is possible for these two circles here. This is the only one tangent, common tangent is possible when the distance between these two radius is equal to the distance of two radius. This is all about the case number 4 here, and the case number 5 is the distance if C1 C2 less than R1 minus R2. If C1 C2 is less than R1 minus R2, here if you draw a circle like this, this is having C1 S is equal 0, and if you need to draw one more cycle that is having C2 here. Here no tangents are possible here. No tangents are possible when the distance of two circles is less than R1 minus R2. The difference between the two radius, no tangents are possible. This is all about the case number 5 here. These are the 5 cases we have, and the next topic is, these are the 5 cases we have, and the next condition, two circles with center C1 C2 and R1 R2 is equal to. Here this is all about the cases here, and the next topic is center of similitude. This is all about relative positions here, and the next topic is center of similitude. Center of similitude. Center of similitude. Here let S is equal 0 and S dash is equal 0 be two circles here, and C1 comma C2 are centers, and R1 comma R2 are radii of two circles, here. And if you draw a diagram like for this one, we need to find center of similitudes here. Center of similitudes, let's draw a circle here. Let's draw a circle here, and I am drawing one more circle. This is having center C1, and this is having center C2 here, and from this one the radius is R1, this is radius is R2, and if you draw tangents for these two circles, once I am drawing this circle properly here. This is having C2 and this is C1 here. This is R1 and this is R2 here, and this is a center line. This is a center line here, and if we draw tangents to these two circles, if you draw tangents to these two circles here, and this, and draw one more tangent here, and this is the tangent here. Here the intersection of tangent line, the intersection of transversal tangent line is called P here. This is internal center of similitude. This is called internal center of similitude, and the direct common tangent intersection point Q is called external center of similitude. Here first I am taking S is equal 0 and S dash is equal 0. S dash is equal 0 are two circles here. For those two circles, C1, the condition is C1 is greater than of R1 and R2 here. Hence I am drawing these two circles here. For those two circles I am drawing two tangents lines. These are direct common tangents here. Direct common tangents. These two are direct common tangents, and these two are transversal tangent, common tangents here. The intersection of transversal common tangents is called internal center of similitude here. Internal center of similitude, and the direct common tangent intersection point is called external center of similitude. This is all about the concept of center of similitude here. And the next concept is length of direct common tangent. Here the length of direct common tangent. This is the final concept of circles chapter here. Listen carefully. Let I am taking the condition C1 C2 is greater than of R1 and R2. Then here we can possible two types of tangents. When this condition only can occur, two types of tangents, transversal and direct common tangents. Here I am taking, this is one circle, and I am taking this is also one more circle here. This is having of center C1 and this is having of center C2, and this is R1 radius, this is R2 radius here, and when you draw tangents to these two circles, these are direct common tangents, and this is also direct common tangent. I am drawing one more tangent line here, that is transversal transversal tangent here. This is a transversal tangent, and I am taking this is radius and this is also radius. The distance between these two centers, D. I am taking the point of intersection of point of contact of tangent, that is direct tangent, is AB I am taking, and the point of contact of transversal tangent to the circle, that is A dash B dash I am taking here, and the distance between two centers is D, and C1 C2 distance C1 C2 is equal to D, that is distance here, distance between two centers, and R1 comma R2 are radius of S is equal 0 and S dash is equal 0 respectively. Next, C1 C2 are centers of two circles here. This is S is equal 0 and this is S dash is equal 0, and here we need to find the distance of this circle here, this tangent here, that is AB. AB is equal to square root of D square minus R1 square minus R2 square. This is the formula for AB here. And next, A dash B dash, the distance of tangent, here, the distance of tangents formula, AB is equal square root of D square minus R square of R1 square minus R2 square, and the distance between here, the distance of these two points, the tangent of transversal tangent length, here AB dash is equal to D square plus R1 square, D square minus R1 square plus R2 square. This is the formula to find the length of tangent, the length of tangent here. This is all about the length of direct common tangents and transversal tangent. Directly we are finding transversal tangent length also. This is S is equal 0, this is S dash is equal 0. Here two circles are there having center and C1 and C2 and having different radius R1 and R2 here. The distance between these two centers is small d here, and the point of contact of common tangents is considering A and B. The distance with the length is here, the distance is nothing but the length of the tangent here. The formula for this one, AB is equal square root of D square minus R1 square minus R2 square, and the length of transversal tangent, that is nothing but the point of contact of first circle to second circle of a transversal tangent, that is A dash B dash is equal to square root of D square minus R1 square plus R2 square. This is all about the topic of length of direct common tangents here. In next session we will see problems.